Alright guys, Pop-Up 101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you two of my newest spells, my item spawner spell and my Wolverine spell. So just to note, you do need the item spawner spell to get the Wolverine spell to work, but it's super simple. All you need to do is select the item spawner spell, press the trigger, you summon a shield and sword by default. You select the Wolverine spell, pressing the trigger. You summon claws. Now one cool feature, I made dismemberment super easy. My item spawner spell. Oh no, he's using the same stuff as me. Whatever will I do? He's gonna fail that one in the morning.